Hello everyone. In this video, we'll talk about TSM stock and key level to was July 2026. In last trading session, the stock formed a bullish candle closed at $398.37. On the weekly time frame, the stock is in uptrend, forming higher high, higher high, higher high. The stock made a high of $479.47. On the daily time frame, the key support level is $384.35. If the price goes below $384.35, it could test $360.8. The resistance level is $405.9. If the price breaks above $405.9, it could test $419.75. That's my view on TSM stock today. If you found this helpful, please subscribe for more update. This video is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. Always do your own research before investing. Thanks for watching.